System errors causing the Python312.dll crashes in your apps? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. As we prepare the manual solution for Python 3.12, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This DLL file is the core runtime library for Python 3.12. It provides the interpreter and foundational objects required to execute Python scripts and run modern applications built with the Python environment. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This issue indicates a problem within the Python interpreter installation. Reinstall the latest version of Python interpreter from the official site to restore the Python 3.12 DLL safely. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Python 3.12 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be aware that manual interventions for the Python 3.12 DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to the Python 3.12 and registry optimization. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Python 3.12 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.